A few last things on the automation builder. Once you have built your automation the way you want, name it up at the top. Just double click. I will call this one website form, since it is triggered when our website form is submitted. Then open the settings tab here. First, allow reentry. This means if a lead fills out your form, then fills it out again later, they can pass through the automation again as many times as they want. For this example, we only want people to go through the first time they submit. So we keep this toggled off. A case where you would turn reentry on is appointment booking. When someone books an appointment, you want them to enter that automation every time, so they always get their confirmation texts and emails and their reminders. For that, you would toggle it on. Next, stop on response. With this on, if someone replies to a message in the workflow, the automation stops. You can also set the time zone, your account one, or the contacts. I keep mine on my account time zone. Then there is the time window. If you do not want automated texts and emails going out after hours, you set it right here. Say someone fills out your form at 9 at night. You probably do not want to message them at that hour. So you set a window, for example 8 in the morning to 5 in the evening. Now a 9 p.m. submission simply waits until 8 the next morning before it goes out. And if you would rather skip weekends, you can set it to only send Monday through Friday. You control all of that here. You can also set a default sender name, and from email, for every email the automation sends. Plug those in once and they autofill on every email. And there is an option to mark conversations as read. You toggle this on if you want the conversations this workflow touches to be marked as read. I will toggle it back off here. Now, over under enrollment history, you can see exactly who has submitted the form and gone through this automation and which step they are currently on. I filled this form out as John Smith, and you can see I am sitting at the 1 hour wait step, waiting for the course access to be granted. And under execution logs, you can see every single step your lead has gone through so far and where it is waiting. Last thing, when it is ready, publish it. On draft, it will not run. Then save at the top and you are good to go.